Hi everyone, so I'm Tiffany Pearl and this is my first vlog. Let's go, let's start this.
Merry Christmas.
Outfit check. Go to DIY, like look something, hanapin yung face mat na gusto na mami ko, so let's go. So I'm in now in DIY na, andito na sa DIY guys, so nakahanap ako ng face mat na nakapalahan sa amin. Guys, I want to see it and let's see if this is your the iPhone 11 casing. So